Need $1,000 cash fast? Guaranteed approval, no credit check required.
Are you a loan shark?
A loan shark? You're funny. We don't like that term. We prefer the term money lender. Loan shark sounds so...
Accurate?
It makes us sound so predatory. As though we target innocent prey in desperate situations, tear them apart and eat them alive. You are perhaps familiar with my extensive network of payday and title loan franchises. Cash Quickly, Money Time 9000, Say Yay Payday, eCash-O-Rama, Give Me Money Plus, Cash Fix Fast.
Isn't Money Time 9000 the one with the really dodgy commercials late at night? Or is that the one with the reality TV spokesperson?
Does it really matter? The important thing is that we have the cash to make it happen.
To make what happen?
Your, whatever emergency and or desperate situation you're in. Car breakdown, unexpected medical bills, want to go shopping but can't wait until payday? Yeah.
Okay, 1, I have an emergency fund in my budget to look after stuff like that. And 2, I'm not sure that shopping is a valid reason to take out a loan.
There are plenty of good reasons. Instant approval, fast cash, less than perfect credit, no problem. Call in the next 5 minutes and you can have $500 by tomorrow.
I appreciate your enthusiasm, but that does not sound reassuring at all.
Look, I'm not here to judge. I don't know why you need the money.
I don't need the money.
But I do know that $500 in your pocket can really help you out. Just get the loan.
But
Get the loan.
I really don't.
Just get the loan.
Okay, let's say I do need $500 before payday. Taking out a loan means paying back the money plus interest. What's your interest rate?
If you pay it back within 10 days, you'll be fine.
That's not what I asked. What's your interest rate?
Instant approval, no credit check needed.
Give me that. 550% APR?
It's not that high.
I think my credit card interest rate is high, and that's 15%. This is 550. If I borrowed that $500 for just 1 month, I'd owe like $80 in interest.
Oh, and plus late fees.
At this rate, if something happened and I couldn't pay back the loan for an entire year, I would owe over $2,500 in interest refinancing every month. Borrowing $500 today would give me $3,000 of debt. Is that not crazy to you?
Well, we can help keep that from happening. For $25 a week, we can extend that original loan so you don't have to default on it.
So if I can't pay the loan back all at once, on top of the interest, I would also pay you $100 a month just to keep it from going to collections? What if I can't cover $100 a month?
Ooh, take out another loan. Yeah, fast cash in your pocket by Friday.
Are you crazy? These loans are outrageously expensive and targeted at people who are clearly in a tight spot to begin with. How is this even legal? Don't you have any rules you have to follow?
Of course there are. There's all sorts of legislation surrounding short-term lending. But my businesses happen to be registered under a slightly different sector. So I don't have to follow all those boring rules exactly.
Money Time 9000, Payday Lender, and Island Adventure Tours.
We put the fun in fundamentally unsafe.
Right. Well, thanks for the info. I'm not going to take out a loan, so please go away.
I didn't want it to come to this, but if you don't take out that loan... Hey, there's a shark in the pool!
I'm just gonna...
Dun-na. Dun-na. Dun-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.